Teaching Podcast.
It's Dr. Distracted, back again with another inspired tutorial. On today's episode, we discuss how to conduct a video interview using Zoom Meeting. I'm going to show you several features within Zoom, and we're going to have a blast doing so.
Perfect.
Now we're just going to go inside of Zoom. Let's do that. Type in zoom.com. Boom, I'm signed in, I'm ready to go. First things first, we have to make sure we have audio and we have to make sure we have video. So in the top right corner, click on the settings icon. Then right here underneath general, click on the video icon. In this black box, you should see your video feed. And right here where it says camera, you should see the name of your video camera. Now some of the settings attached with the video, whether you want to enable HD, and depending on your internet connection, that still can be affected. You can mirror your video, touch up your appearance, always display participants' names on their video, turn off your video when joining the meeting, always show video preview dialog when joining a video meeting, hide non-participants, spotlight your video when you speak, and this is a very cool feature that you're going to hear me talk about in a second. Display up to 49 participants per screen in gallery view. Okay, now let's make sure that our audio is working properly. We're gonna go right here underneath video and click on audio. Whoever you're speaking to, they will be coming through the speaker channel, so make sure that's routed to the correct place. In my situation, it is going to the same place as my microphone, which is the Rodecaster Pro, and right underneath speaker, you see the column for microphone. And if you're interested in the microphone that I'm speaking through, or the Rodecaster Pro interface, I have the links in the description below. They give you the option to use separate audio devices to play ringtones simultaneously. You can automatically join audio by computer when joining a meeting. You can mute your microphone when joining a meeting. You can press and hold the space key to temporarily unmute yourself. And you can sync buttons on headset. Now all we have to do is click New Meeting. It's launching. Boom, bam, shaboom. There we go. At this point, we've got our audio hooked up, we've got our video hooked up, and the last step in this process is to make a phone call, or should I say, a Zoom call. All you have left to do, go right here, click on the down arrow to the right of where it says New Meeting. You want to make sure that your video is on. Check that box and then scroll down to the bottom. Go out to this little panel and click Copy Invitation. Now that invitation is copied, the easiest way to do this is just send an email, paste it in there. They can open the email, click the link, and enter the password, and they will be on the call. So right now I'm going to send this email over to Livingood at letsgmc.com and see if we can talk to him. I'm on the line with none other than letsgmc.com himself, Mr. Garrett Livingood. When one person talks, if you're recording the conversation, the camera switches to their view, and it'll switch according to who's speaking at the time. So, Garrett?
Yes. Words, statements, thoughts, phrases, questions, concerns. I'm done.
Next time you have a conversation on Zoom and you're recording it, you're going to be able to enjoy all of these excellent features. So if you want to record the conversation, you just go down here to the bottom of the screen. You're going to see the record button, and it's pretty easy. You just click record. Right here in this top right-hand corner, there's a recording symbol, and it's on. It's blinking. That's a good sign. If you look down here at this microphone, you can see my audio moving up and down. That's a good sign. And I can see myself. So everything looks good from this angle. Now, if you didn't have this separate software running and you still wanted to screen record, there's multiple ways to do it. You can even do it on your cell phone. Actually, you'll see the link pop up right there, I believe. And there's a video on how to screen share in Zoom on your iPhone that I've made especially for you. You wouldn't believe it, but there's a button right at the bottom. It's right in the middle of the screen. It's green. It's like a green screen almost. And it says share screen. So you click that, and then once you click that, this is so cool. I love this. It gives you the option. So I've got screen 1, screen 2, whiteboard. For example, we're gonna share screen number 1 on this one. Okay, boom. When I go to where it says stop share, this whole menu bar comes down. and we have new share. So we're just gonna click on new share. And this time, I'm gonna go to screen number 2, mix it up a bit. Now we're back live. You see me? Can you see me? Obi-Wan. The last thing I want to show here, because this is pretty cool, I think. You just go to your iPhone, and this is what the iPhone looks like for those of you who didn't know. Just click that button, screen mirroring. And then we're gonna go to Zoom user, right there. Boom.
There we go.
That's excellent. So there you have it. That's how you share your phone screen. I think this is a very awesome capability.
Okay, do you know if this is just Apple?
Yes, iPhone/iPad. So unfortunately, Android users, you're gonna be unable to access this cool feature, Team Apple, all the way. We brought kittens into the mix. I really don't think we could have done any better of a job here.
This is everything YouTube wants.
Absolutely. You heard it first, you heard it last, and no matter what, you heard it here on Inspire Distraction. And that's gonna be it for today's episode. If you enjoyed it just a little bit, please don't forget to show your support by leaving a comment below, hit the like button, subscribe, and of course, don't forget to smash that so you never miss the opportunity to be distracted.
Perfect.